Welcome to CondoLogy.
It's news time. I'm CondoBot. This short video is to demonstrate a modification that was made to CondoLogy in the budget items form. First, notice that titles in the snippet are in English. This new version contains automatic translation to suits the browser of the user. In fact, before this modification, we had follow-up payment and maintenance log together in the same report. This report has been divided in two, so if we click on the payments one, we have the list of payments. There you go. Then the reminder date is here in the center to make the payments, and as well as certain information on the payments that are made and the balances payable and the amounts that are paid. Then from that, if we go here to the maintenance log follow-up, this one is very similar to the other. We have here the date of the follow-up, but at that moment, we will give a description of the item, and we will also look at the follow-up note to know what is happening at the item level. We also have other data there which goes up to in the category. So this change is now effective.